red flags before you get in the relationship. So
Hey guys.
hey guys!
Wow. Wow. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ndatsendomo, and in today's video we are going to be talking about red flags. Okay?
You know.
If you see this,
Run!
Hello darlings, how you guys all doing today? And welcome back, yes, to another
Video. I have with me the beautiful Ems. Because she's cutting me short. So
Yes. If you watch the other videos, you know that this intro takes a while. So you guys, my name is Em Etetim, and
You're a Lagos-based YouTuber.
I'm a Lagos-based YouTuber, and I am a Lagos-based YouTuber. Period.
With a T. We're going to be doing an interesting topic. I know I have done red flags in a relationship before, but now this is red flags before you get in the relationship. So you meet someone new, you're still talking to them, you're still trying to get to know them. You guys are still in the dating phase. These are the signs that will let you know that they are not relationship material. You get? Like sometimes you notice red flags when you're already inside the relationship.
Yeah.
Yes, but this one, before you enter inside, before you carry your two left legs and go and look for trouble, you already know that.
Or you guys are already going on dates.
Yes, you guys are already going on dates, or you guys are already talking, like you guys are already trying to get to know each other and you're trying to evaluate, is this person going to be worth it? So I feel like these are the signs that will help you know. These are some of the signs, obviously. Like some people pretend until they've said it to you. Some people pretend until they've slept with you. So my first one is people that are too fast and too forward too early. You meet this person and on the first date they're already calling you dear, darling, my love, baby, sugar. It's too fast.
Yeah, no, those ones are already like serial killers. Like, let's not do that.
But they're already telling you, talk to my mom. Some people, I think I've heard of the rare occasions where people know from the first time that this is the person I'm going to.
It doesn't mean you should call me dear. Like, please, I know you've seen it. I have not. So don't do it.
Exactly. I feel these people are too fast, too forward. Like from the first day, they're already telling you we're going to get married. This is where we're going to live. Come and meet my mom.
Okay, so you think that's a red flag?
I think that's.
Why do you think it's a red flag?
Because it's too fast. You need to know somebody before you start getting in their personal space or inviting them into your personal space.
You never talked about that, like someone saying, "Oh, would you like to meet my family?" and stuff like as a red flag.
Really?
I haven't.
I mean, do say that, but not on the first date or the first conversation.
Definitely not. That's the thing. Like it's usually like the first 3 weeks. But I've experienced some. But it wasn't really, it was just because I guess they thought they were too smitten.
Yeah. Which is also a problem because that smitten phase is going to die at some point.
Yeah, that's why I wait it out.
Yeah, exactly. So like, are we still going to have something after the initial gra-gra? Yeah. Like after the smitten phase, are we still going to have something to hang on to? A lot of the times, no.
Yeah.
So,
because you cannot do it forever.
Do you understand? Like you will always have those butterflies in your stomach feeling forever. So I feel like it needs time. I feel like relationships need time. No matter how we want to look at it, it needs time to grow.
Yeah, I agree.
So those ones that, oh, come and meet my mom. Like I met a guy, this is very foolish of me actually, because I should be smarter than that. I met a guy on Instagram DM. And from the first conversation, this guy was already telling me,
you look like a wife material. You sound like you're going to make a good wife.
Like, and I'm so foolish.
That made you smile?
Yes, it did. This is why I can give this kind of advice, because I actually fell for the guy and his story is another story for another.
I'll just excuse myself from my own DMs.
Do you understand?
Because I don't understand. What do you mean wife material?
Blocked. Okay. Nothing good can come out of someone trying to rush you. So someone that's already telling you that,
oh, I prayed last night and God told me you're my wife.
Yeah, you know they are full of shit actually.
Do you understand? Like if really God told me I'm your wife, chill and let him tell me. Run away from these people. For me, this is the major red flag. People that are too forward, too fast. They start doing the most too soon. Give it time, wait it out. Don't scare me, don't rush me, don't pressure me. But I know there will still be some girls that will watch this video and be like,
oh, I wanted to know from the first day. Oh, he called me his wife on the first day.
And some people it will work for them.
Yeah, it does work. Like it does work for some people. If it's working for you, enjoy your relationship. But I'm just like in general, this is something you should run for. My next red flag is, you want to go next or I should?
Okay, I want to read your own.
Okay.
Let me see. So, trophy boyfriend or girlfriend.
Exactly.
So everything about this person is perfect. They seem too good to be true. They don't have any faults.
They don't have any faults. They don't have any flaws. Like you can't find one thing to complain about.
You can. It's obvious they are pretending.
Yes, because we're all human beings. Nobody is perfect. No matter how we try to portray ourselves perfect when we first meet someone, like you're a human being, you will have some things that you do
but this
that I don't like.
Something that is funny here because when you meet people, obviously you want to give them your best.
Yes,
so
exactly.
Literally everybody does that.
Exactly. This is exactly my first point. So give it time.
Okay.
Because in the beginning, you're only seeing my perfection. I'm only seeing your perfection. We're only putting our best foot forward. Yeah, do you understand? So you need to give it after that beginning phase. And then you now notice that this person is too good to be true. Like you're questioning yourself, how could I have landed this kind of amazing, perfect man or woman? Like they don't have any flaws.
They have to be a psychopath. Sorry.
I'm not saying that something must be fundamentally wrong with the person, but there'll be something about there'll be a flaw, because we're human beings. So I think this is a major, massive red flag. And they always say if something seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Or maybe you just haven't found out about their flaws.
It's true. That's why you should give it time. I should get.
And for some people it varies.
Yeah,
it
true.
can take like 6 months.
True. True. That actually makes sense, but I mean, time will still tell at the end of the day. That's why don't rush it and trust it.
That's why when men are like, oh, like you are so this, you're so.
Do you understand? It's like
I'm like, wait first.
Like exactly.
Because
let me show you. Let me display for you first. Let me show you my drama.
And then maybe you can tell me if you're still interested.
Do you understand? My next one is you meet this person and they only communicate at odd hours. They'll be telling you, oh, call me at 10 a.m. They'll be doing you like business appointments. Oh, sorry, you can't call me in the morning. Oh, please call me at 3 p.m. Oh, you can't call me at midnight. Oh, this video call, I couldn't take it. There's always an excuse for when you want to communicate with them.
They're hiding something or
yes,
someone.
or they're no eggs. This girl, lie. So these people are unavailable people. They're trying to portray themselves as available to you because they want to get something from you. Maybe they want your body, maybe they want your money, maybe they just want to mess around, maybe they're just looking for a distraction. Run from these people. If I'm trying to get to know you in the initial phase, I should have access to you. I should have access to be able to communicate with you no matter the time. I should be able to reach out to you. I should be able to get you. But I feel like if you're calling the person at like 10 p.m. and the person is like, oh, I'm sorry, I'll call you tomorrow morning. Like Em said, they're hiding something or they're hiding someone. Most times they're hiding someone. My next point is, oh God, these ones are always talking about their ex. Like you meet someone and every conversation is tied to their ex, what their ex did to them, who their ex is, how they miss their ex, how they don't miss their ex, how their exes are terrible people. Everything is about their ex. My ex is like you can't have a conversation without hearing their ex name. Why are you looking guilty at this?
Am I breaking your table? No, like I'm on this table, but not that deep. But I talk about my ex, but I talk about my exes freely, just so.
But not in every conversation.
So
like, why are you telling me about your ex in every conversation? No, I am not your ex. Don't use your ex to give me standards of how to be in a relationship. No, I'm not your ex. I will never be your ex, and I don't even want to be your ex. Do you understand? So every person and every relationship will be different. If you like, give me a paragraph about what your ex did and did not do, and what you want me to do and do not. I'll still be myself eventually.
And for me, I think the problem may just be that like I still talk to all my exes.
Because that is not a problem.
Friends.
Yeah, exactly. If your exes are still your friends, it's not necessarily a problem. But if in every sentence you're talking about your ex, even me, or
that's
from you,
problem.
that is a problem. That means number one, if
you haven't gotten over them.
Yes, you haven't gotten over them, or you're still in love with them. Yeah. So this is to me this
or
is
even just you trying to make your current boyfriend like your ex.
That's
exactly.
A problem. Or you're using your
never live up to it.
And why are you even giving a new person standards to live up to based off of someone else?
Do you understand? Even like you can't even first of all make someone change for you.
Exactly.
You can't do that.
Like give me standards that are according to your values and your moral principles.
Even then,
not standards of someone else.
That's good because basically you're telling the person not to be themselves.
True, exactly. So you can't make someone be who they are not in a relationship. Like my brother always says, there's so many people out. Like there are so many people into the whale that's you like you. There's so many. If this one is not working for you, meet the next one. That's why, like I told you, Wendy says date around while you're still in your 20s.
Definitely,
it helps you know people. It helps you meet different people.
It also helps you know what you want and what.
Yeah, that's definitely for me a bad sign. Like I would run. Trust me, every relationship that I've been in, that the person is like
my ex this, oh my ex that, oh my ex this.
It has always ended so bad. Like always ended so bad. It's never a good sign. Because number one, even if you're so hurt by your ex, why can't you forgive? Number two, if you've moved on, if you've healed, don't rush into a relationship to get over someone. Try and heal, try and process it. So if you've not moved on, what am I doing with you? Why using me as rebound? I feel like I'm breaking Em's table right here.
Because
she's on this table.
The only way I get over people is using somebody else.
But that's not.
But it's not relationship. But it's not. No, it works for me. But it's not. Nah. I haven't even been in a relationship in a long time.
We need to talk about that.
So yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So for me, I think like no, this is a massive red flag, and that means that anything you do,
The ones that the person will end up being on that table too. We talked about to the next
person. They'll use you and do story time.
Exactly. So
and if you like me that they have YouTube channel, we'll use you on the story time.
Yeah.
So
giving you content.
You know. So my last and final one is, I said, do you want to read it?
I want to read it. People that are indecisive and you have to fight for or fight other people you have to have them.
Why should I fight for you? I don't understand it. Am I a warrior? Are you gold? Are you money? I don't understand. Like no. Don't get me
in
wrong.
that situation though.
To fight another girl.
No.
To fight to
when there are two guys interested in you.
Yeah. And then I have to fight to have one.
No. They have to fight.
No, I've never put somebody in that situation.
The difference is that they never met.
And they never know that they're fighting.
Exactly.
True. Okay.
That's the only difference.
This is my table.
So it's the same thing. We're on this table.
I think we all do it.
We all do it.
We all do it, to be honest. Because I've talked to different people at the same time, and then true.
Yeah. And
like when one does
hard to
something,
decide.
it disqualifies the other one. And when one does something, it disqualifies the other one. But that's not a good. That's not a good thing because you're only comparing. You're not really in a relationship. You're comparing people.
You're just comparing two of them.
And if you keep,
at the end of the day, you never go with any of them.
Exactly. You will never work. Comparison is a thief of joy because you keep searching for 100% in both of them, and you can never get 100%. Yeah. It's better for you to take the 90% that you know you can work with than to settle for 50 here and 50 there to make you 100. Because you can't be with two people at the end of the day at the same time. So, and another thing is, if I have to fight another girl,
that would never happen. Sorry,
that will never be.
Like, so I'm the kind of person, if you cheat on me, please.
Do you understand? So this point
never that deep,
majorly that if someone puts you in a position that you have to fight to
just walk
be with
away
them or to fight to have them, it's not worth it. Especially in the initial stage, like I don't understand what
any stage, my dear.
No, there are some stages.
Even if we are married, if you're married and you cheat on me, I'm not going to fight another girl.
Are you going to walk
I'm
away?
going to talk to you. No, I'm not walking away now. But I'm going to talk to you about it. I'm not fighting anybody for anything.
Oh my God.
No, please.
Yeah. So definitely people who already from the get-go let you know that listen, being with me is going to be a struggle. I have this ex that wants to come back into my life, or I have this mother that wants me to marry a certain type and you're not that certain type. Red flags, my dear, just be warning. Like once they start giving you all this criteria, it's not a job, for heaven's sake. I'm not submitting my CV to be with you.
I don't think it should be that.
Do you understand? Once they start giving you all this criteria about being with them, or they're like, oh, I only like a certain kind of girl, she must wake up and cook for me. Oh, I only like a certain kind of girl, she must be
I'll
a
help
certain
you find
figure.
her. But she's not
Exactly.
me.
We'll search for her. Like no, just don't do it. It's too early.
Yeah.
At some point in a good relationship, you might have to fight, or you might have to put some effort to maintain it.
But like
then, like
if I have to, like, I feel like if I have to literally stretch myself
to be with you,
I'm sorry.
It's not that deep. I just feel like it's not that deep. Like,
sorry, I'll just get a house in the bedroom, like live there. Not that deep.
Like 7 billion people in the planet, it really doesn't have to be you. I'm not saying that you can't marry someone and it wouldn't be them, but don't give me criterias before we even start dating. Yeah. And then the last one I was gonna say, but this one pertains to guys, yes, is mama's boys. Run for your life.
Really?
Dear, like mama's boys. And I'm not talking about people who care about their mothers and just like are good sons to them. No, you should look for those kind of men actually. But the ones that are intensively into their mothers, that they every single thing they compare it to their mother. Oh, but my mother didn't do this. Oh, but my mother did that. Oh, this is how my mother cooked. Or this is what my mother.
Okay, I'm sorry, dear.
I'm not your mother. Do you understand? I'm not, and I'm never going to be your mother, and I'm never going to try to be your mother.
I think comparison generally is just doesn't work. Just kill it.
So, I mean, those are our few tips for now.
Sorry, I didn't have anything. Like I said, I haven't really dated a lot.
Oh
so
yeah,
I haven't experienced a lot, to be honest. And me, I'm the kind of person that once I see that, oh, your handwriting is ugly, I run. This is not nice, I run. So I never really stayed to experience like the whole.
Plus, I broke a lot of your tables as well.
But yeah, I've been on a lot of tables.
So I guess this video was for you. Hint, hint. So anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. Run to Em's channel right now.
Also tell us like your own experience.
True.
Let us know what are the red flags that you noticed. But then maybe you didn't pay attention to.
And then it became a problem. As in, you've been fat ass. True. And then run to Em's channel as well. Subscribe, show her some love. Like her content is worth watching. If not, I wouldn't push it down your throats. Trust me. So run to Em's channel, show her some love, subscribe to her channel as well. Let's know what you think. Let's know if you have other tips and some tea. We would like to see it. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.